Higher education has historically been built like a heavy stone library. It's stable, sure, but it is incredibly slow to adapt. The traditional textbook model forces students behind steep financial paywalls to access information that is often outdated the moment it goes to the printer. Science advances daily, but physical publishing takes years. Think about how modern technology operates. What happens if we stop treating a curriculum as a physical bound object and start treating it as a dynamic software ecosystem? When the speed of discovery outpaces the speed of the printing press, the medium of delivery becomes a bottleneck. Overcoming this gap requires moving beyond static publishing toward a dynamic engineering workflow. This brings us to curriculum as code. It's an architectural framework connecting traditional academic theory directly to modern software engineering principles. Under this model, coursework is treated exactly like software. It is engineered for rapid updates and deployment across an entire institution simultaneously. We call this a live deployment. The curriculum is never considered finished or static. Instead, it is continuously updated, it is rigorously tested, and strictly version controlled. By abandoning paper and treating educational material as scalable code, institutions can bypass the historical delays inherent in traditional education. Before a single line of code is written, the system requires a definitive, non-negotiable scientific standard to ensure clinical validity. We rely on a single source of truth. For physical health, that means strictly using the Physical Activity Guidelines for Americans 2018 edition, alongside the ACSM's Guidelines for Exercise Testing and Prescription 12th edition. To translate dense clinical guidelines into active instruction, the framework uses a tri-phase logic engine, the mission loop. This chart illuminates the first phase, the pattern. The system identifies a physiological status in a population, like high levels of physical inactivity. Once a pattern is identified, we move to the second phase, the rule. Here, the established source of truth acts as a strict filter for the inactivity data. Finally, the third phase is the solve. The engine executes a clear, evidence-based clinical intervention. This loop ensures every piece of educational content functions as an actively solved, clinically audited intervention. To actually build this mission loop, we must look at the digital factory floor, the infrastructure as code tech stack. The primary editor is Anti-Gravity IDE, optimized for Apple Silicon. All content is written in Markdown and semantic HTML, starting strictly at the H2 level, ensuring clean, universal formatting. This diagram shows a GitHub version control tree using a master library model. It allows course creators to make instant updates that push out to all instances simultaneously, bypassing physical materials entirely. When it comes to measuring student success, traditional letter grades are replaced with the clinical 10-7-0 mastery scale, grouping performance strictly into exemplary, competent, or recalibrate tiers. Combining this precise technological stack with a strict grading framework ensures the interventions designed in the mission loop reach the student with exact, measurable accuracy. Looking at the final deployed curriculum, we can see how this architecture effortlessly reaches a modern student in practically any environment. Because the content is natively built on semantic HTML, standard formatting issues disappear. It guarantees a smooth, mobile-first user experience right out of the box. The stack also enforces strict accessibility metrics. Every deployment is required to meet WCAG 2.1 AA standards, including high-visibility 9:1 contrast ratios. By treating the curriculum as a code-based project, accessibility is built into the architecture from the first line, helping to ensure the learning environment remains readable for all students. This software architecture ultimately drives a massive economic benefit: the generation of true open educational resources. Relying on live digital deployments eliminates the overhead of physical printing and legacy distribution, passing savings directly to the student. By treating curriculum as software, education transitions away from acting as a static, expensive gatekeeper. It becomes an accessible, live, zero-cost deployment engineered for everyone.